What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of DripMyWhip. Well, it's not really an episode. I just want to turn the camera on and explain something real quick. So I'm throwing up this compilation. So we went to Pink Flamingo's warehouse party a couple days ago, and it was actually right when I'm vlogging. Went to Pink Flamingo's warehouse party the other day, and it was actually way more fun than expected. And so I went to slide there. I was one of the invited guests along with the other Style Points Club drivers, well, some of us. And so we went expecting just to throw the car around a little bit, and it ended up being way cooler of a run than I thought it would be. We're dodging cars left and right. Even though I didn't bring my camera equipment, I got a lot of people who sent me footage of all different kinds of angles. So I put together a compilation of the run in all different areas of the warehouse to kind of show what all went down during that run. It was a lot of fun. I do want to mention, when I drove into the pit, I pressed on my brake pedal and they went to the floor. I did not have brakes for this run. I was using handbrake only. So keep that in mind when you're watching, but it was a lot of fun. Shout out to the other Style Points Club people who were in the pit with me. Y'all awesome, and I hope y'all enjoy it.